This Garf is complete. Let's move on. Here we go. New Garf. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, no, no, no. Garfield, no. Here comes Garfield. Tum-dee-dum-dee-dum. Here comes Garfield. What's Garfield gonna do? No! 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 Odie! Ah! Oh, God. Odie. Odie's been assaulted once again. There goes Odie. There goes poor Odie. I can't believe this. How does... How does Garfield keep getting away with this? How does Garfield keep getting away with this? If it weren't for my naturally sweet nature, I'd make life rough for that dog. Garfield's being ironic here, because he doesn't have a naturally sweet nature, and he is making life rough for that dog. Odie has done nothing to Garfield. Garfield keeps assaulting Odie anyway. That perspective is a nightmare. This one? The one where Garfield walks off into the fog. This is the last thing you see as you're bleeding out on the floor after Garfield kills you. Ah, ha. Ah. Ha 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 ha. Ouch. Ouchie wawa. Ouchie. Ouchie wawa.
People who sing like that should be drug out into the street and shot.
Garfield. Garfield. Garfield.
I made a left turn at the Taco-Rama, and here I was.
What? What? Alright. Let's move on to the next Garf. Oh wait, we didn't read the comments. I believe this is the first time Garfield kicked Odie. It's not. This is not. No, on Sunday, August 13th, 1978, Garfield kicked him after slapping and dribbling him. Like. Oh, we got a viewer here. We got a viewer leaving essentially the comment that I was gonna leave. So thank you, premium member Gregory, for being such an asset to the premium member community. I'm glad that finally, thanks to this stream, the comment section is getting cleaned up. I don't even need to leave a comment on this one. I don't even need to leave a comment. You know what? I am going to leave one comment. Poor Odie. Like, I agree. Yeah. You know. There we go. Nice, simple comment. The work's almost all been done for me by the premium member community. So let's move on to the next Garf. Here we go. Here we go. The next Garf. Next Garf. Next Garf. Wow.